Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can add story to your Instagram from the computer, from a PC, from your desktop. So this is how you can add stories. Now, as you can see, we're on Instagram here, and you might think the best way to go about this when you've logged into Instagram on your desktop is to go to the create button that you see over here, right? And then hit create. But as you can see, it all is a post. It is not a story. It is not a story. And there is pretty much up till now, I mean, unless there's something that's changed when you're watching this video, that's the only way that you could think about going about to create a story on Instagram, and it just doesn't seem to work because even when you select something from your computer, it just still shows as a post, as you can see. So the best way to go about this, and the possible way actually to go about this right now, is to go to your Meta Business Suite. Your Meta Business Suite is your best place to go to be able to do that, as you can see over here. So how do you go about that? Is you go to over here, you see it says create a post. That's not what you want to do. You go to create a reel. That's not what you want to do, but you go to more over here. And as you can see, the first dot over here says create story. Now, just to go back a little bit, you have to make sure that your Instagram is linked to in your Meta Business Suite right now. You have to make sure that has taken place because right now, what you see here is Facebook and Instagram. As you can see, Facebook and Instagram. So if your Instagram is not linked, you definitely want to go about linking that because that's pretty much the only way right now that I know possibly that you can add a story to your Instagram from a PC. Okay, so we're going to carry on from there. Now, the next thing to go about it is to go again to the Create Story tab and see what it says over here. Now, since you just want to put this on Instagram alone, you want to make sure that it's only Instagram that's checked. If you do want to put it on both posts, that's totally fine. As you can see, once you remove this, that just shows that it's going strictly on Instagram. Once you add this, that shows that the story is going both to Facebook and Instagram. And if you were to ask for my expert opinion, depending on what you're posting, to spread your word more, you probably want to have both. But I could totally understand if you just want one, that will be the way to go about it, right? Now you add a media to your story. So now we're going to add a media to our story over here. And so let's just do this media if it works. And if we can modify it, we'll be able to see. Okay, so as you can see here, it has added it, it has added it, and we could just start to modify it from here. If I do want to delete it, I honestly can delete it again over here. But as you can see, it gives me what it looks like on Facebook and what it looks like on Instagram. And maybe if I take Facebook off, it just doesn't show Facebook anymore. So I just only have the Instagram view. And since we are just trying to add a story to Instagram, we'll leave it at that. If you do want to add Facebook to it again, that's how you'd go about it. Okay. So now the good thing too is you can customize this, right? So you can crop it. As you can see, you have the opportunity to choose the full screen and all that stuff and make your changes. You can also add text. You see, you can also add text. And when you click add text, that's what it shows you. Anything you type in here then shows. As you can see, that's how you can add text to your story, because you might want to do that too, depending on what you're doing. Then your stickers. These are your stickers. They're quite limited to what you have online because with your stickers online, you could do a whole lot more, but at least this is what you have over here. And if you do just want to add your stickers to it, all you do is tap the sticker and it goes over to the post. And you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can move it around, you can do all those adjustments just the way that you want to, right? So that's a way to go about it. Now, if you are looking to share your story, you can schedule the story, right? And that gives you the opportunity to schedule it at a certain time if you don't want to publish it right away. If you don't want to schedule your story, then you could just share your story. And once you click share your story, it automatically gets shared to your Instagram. But once again, you want to note that you are sort of limited when it comes to your stickers and stuff, but you still can do a good amount of things on here. But that's how you can add a story to your Instagram from the desktop or PC, it won't be through your Instagram right now unless something changes. You have to go to Meta Business Suite and integrate your Instagram with the link to your Facebook under Meta Business Suite. And then from there on, you could create a post, create a reel. But since you're creating a story, you just go here, create your story, and go through all those ways we've showed you to edit it. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see content that's helpful to you and that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.